Welcome to BioThought. So today we are going to discuss NCRT, that is page 15 of biological classification. Wait a second, let me open it once more. Yeah, page 15 of NCRT. And dinoflagellates. So we know that it come under kingdom Protista. And previous class we discussed about the chrysophytes. So now we are going to the dinoflagellates, that is coming under the kingdom Protista. So these organisms are mostly marine, that is seen in oceans, and are photosynthetic, and depending on sunlight they can prepare the food, and they appear yellow, green, brown, blue, red depending on the pigments present in their cells. So what all pigments are present in their cells, depending on that they appear the color. And the cell wall are stiff cellulose plates. You can see a stiff cellulose plate here. See? Yes. On the outer surface, and most of them have two flagella. That is, one is transversely, you can see one transverse, one longitudinally. This one is longitudinally present, and other can be of transversely present in a furrow between the wall plates. You can see between the wall plates there is a furrow here, and here the other one which is transversely present. Okay, the flagella. And so one lies longitudinally, other is transversely. And very often red dinoflagellates, that is goniolus, we name it as goniolus. And see in this the picture A is an example of dinoflagellate. Okay, so red dinoflagellates, one other example is goniolus, undergo such rapid multiplication and they make sea or ocean appear red, like red tides. And toxins released by such large number may even kill the other marine animals such as fishes. So what they say is that this goniolus, they have undergone rapid multiplication, and their group sea is appearing as red, and it is called as red tides, and these release toxins and will kill the fishes and other marine animals. Okay, so they are toxic. Then next is euglenoids. So coming to euglenoids, is the second picture. Euglenoids. Many of them are freshwater organisms found in stagnant water. That is, they are freshwater organisms, most majority, and they are in the stagnant water, means it is not moving the water. Instead of a cell wall, they have what? A protein rich layer. They have a protein rich layer instead of a cell wall. So no cell wall present. Cell wall is absent. Okay. No, there is no cell wall, and instead they have a protein rich layer called pellicle, which makes the body flexible, which make their body what? Flexible. They have a protein rich layer called pellicle. And they have two flagella, you can see here. One is a long one and other is what? Short one. So a short and a long one. And though they are photosynthetic in the presence of sunlight, they show the dual nature. When deprived of sunlight, that is, deprived means what? When the sunlight is absent, they behave like heterotrophs by predating on smaller organisms. So they are photosynthetic too, but when deprived of sunlight, they will behave like heterotrophs. Interestingly, the pigments of euglenoids are identical to those in the higher plants. So they have the pigments similar to the higher plants. Example is euglena. So in the here, the picture B is an example of euglena. What we say that euglena come under the euglenoids of kingdom Protista. Next is slime molds. What is slime molds? This is example of slime molds. Slime molds are saprophytic protist. What is saprophytic? They depends on dead and decaying matter, and the body moves along this decaying twigs and leaves, engulfing the organic material. They will engulf the organic material, take inside or swallow, and under the suitable condition they form aggregation called suitable condition. If it is, they will form plasmodium aggregation, which may grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable condition, they differentiate and form what? They differentiate and form fruiting bodies, and what? Bearing spores at their tips, and what? The spores possess true walls. These spores have true walls, and they are resistant extremely and survive for many years. That is under unfavorable condition. Even under adverse condition, and the spores are dispersed by air currents. The spores are dispersed by air currents. Okay. Yes. And the spores is what? They are resistant. And in this page, the last topic, that is protozoans. So protozoans, you can say an example here, that is paramecium. So all protozoans are what? This is having a slipper shape, right? Yes. Then all protozoans are heterotrophs that depend on other organisms for food. Like a predator, they may be killing the prey, or they will be a parasite living in the host body. And they are believed to be primitive relatives of animals. They are the primitive relatives of animals. Then there are four major groups of protozoans. Under that, the first one is amoeboid protozoans, and these organisms lives in freshwater, seawater, or moist soil. Where are they seen? Freshwater, seawater, or moist soil, and they move and capture the prey. Okay, with the help of a false sweet pseudopodia that you will see in the next class. Okay, so that's all for today's class, and hope you enjoyed. And now we have completed the page 15 of NCRT. Keep watching, and we will be uploading more videos and regarding NCRT line by line class series, and we will complete the entire NCRT of +1 and +2. Okay, thank you.